100 interesting facts about space. 1. Space is completely silent because sound cannot travel in a vacuum. 2. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus, with surface temperatures over 450 degrees Celsius, 842 degrees Fahrenheit. 3. A day on Venus is longer than a year on Venus. 4. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the Earth's beaches. 5. The Sun is 99.86% of the total mass of the solar system. 6. Light from the Sun takes about 8 minutes to reach Earth. 7. Jupiter has the most moons of any planet, with over 90 confirmed moons. 8. Space is not completely empty, it contains particles of dust and tiny traces of gases. 9. Neutron stars are so dense that a sugar cube-sized amount of material would weigh as much as a mountain. 10. If you could fly a plane to Pluto, it would take over 800 years to arrive. 11. A year on Neptune lasts 165 Earth years. 12. The Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda galaxy. 13. Black holes have such strong gravity that not even light can escape them. 14. The largest volcano in the solar system is Olympus Mons on Mars. 15. Astronauts can grow up to 2 inches taller in space due to reduced gravity. 16. The Great Red Spot on Jupiter is a storm that has been raging for over 300 years. 17. A full NASA spacesuit costs about $12 million. 18. One day on Mercury lasts 1,408 hours. 19. Space smells like a combination of diesel, barbecue, and hot metal, according to astronauts. 20. A day on the Moon is equivalent to 29.5 Earth days. 21. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is about 100,000 light-years across. 22. Saturn is the only planet with rings that are visible from Earth with a small telescope. 23. The International Space Station, ISS, orbits Earth every 90 minutes. 24. The coldest place in the known universe is the Boomerang Nebula, with temperatures close to -457.7 degrees Fahrenheit, -272 degrees Celsius. 25. There is floating water in space, in the form of ice or vapor around stars and planets. 26. The universe is around 13.8 billion years old. 27. The Sun will become a red giant in about 5 billion years. 28. 1 teaspoon of material from a neutron star weighs about 6 billion tons. 29. Mars has the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, standing 13.6 miles, 22 kilometers high. 30. Astronomers have discovered exoplanets that rain molten glass sideways. 31. It would take around 225 million years for the Sun to orbit the center of the Milky Way. 32. Earth is the densest planet in the solar system. 33. The Moon is slowly moving away from Earth by 1.5 inches, 3.8 centimeters, per year. 34. In space, metals can fuse together if they touch, in a process called cold welding. 35. The largest asteroid in our solar system is Ceres. 36. The Andromeda galaxy will collide with the Milky Way in about 4.5 billion years. 37. There is a massive cloud of alcohol floating in space near the constellation Sagittarius. 38. Mars appears red because of iron oxide, or rust, on its surface. 39. The most distant galaxy ever discovered is GNZ11, located 13.4 billion light-years away. 40. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured over 1.5 million observations since its launch. 41. Spacecraft can travel faster through a vacuum than through the atmosphere. 42. Time passes more slowly in stronger gravitational fields, a phenomenon called time dilation. 43. The North Star, Polaris, will not always be the North Star due to Earth's wobble. 44. It takes about 250 million years for the solar system to complete one orbit around the Milky Way. 45. The closest star system to Earth is Alpha Centauri, about 4.37 light-years away. 46. Uranus spins on its side, with its axis almost parallel to the Sun. 47. The first artificial satellite in space was Sputnik, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957. 48. Some black holes can be millions to billions of times the mass of the Sun. 49. The Sun will eventually turn into a white dwarf after it sheds its outer layers. 50. Mercury has no atmosphere to trap heat, leading to extreme temperature changes. 51. The Kuiper Belt is a region beyond Neptune filled with icy bodies. 52. Voyager 1 is the farthest human-made object from Earth. 53. One day on Uranus takes about 17 Earth hours. 54. The asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter. 55. The term astronaut comes from Greek words meaning star sailor. 56. The Big Bang Theory describes how the universe expanded from a very high-density state. 57. Only 5% of the universe is made of ordinary matter, the rest is dark matter and dark energy. 58. Saturn has over 80 moons. 59. Comets are made of ice, dust, and rocky material. 60. The Sun's core temperature is around 15 million degrees Celsius, 27 million degrees Fahrenheit. 61. Light from the closest star, Proxima Centauri, takes 4.24 years to reach Earth. 62. The Milky Way contains over 100 billion stars. 63. Scientists have found evidence of water on Mars. 64. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth passes between the Sun and the Moon. 65. Ganymede, a moon of Jupiter, is the largest moon in the solar system. 66. The James Webb Space Telescope can see farther into the universe than any other telescope. 67. Black holes can warp space-time around them. 68. Gravity on the Moon is only 1/6th that of Earth. 69. Astronomers have identified thousands of exoplanets in other star systems. 70. The Oort cloud is a distant, icy region surrounding the solar system. 71. The speed of light is approximately 299,792 km/s, 186,282 miles per second. 72. A solar eclipse happens when the Moon blocks the Sun's light from reaching Earth. 73. The ISS travels at about 28,000 km per hour, 17,500 miles per hour. 74. A light year is the distance that light travels in 1 year. 75. Venus rotates in the opposite direction of most other planets. 76. Jupiter's moon Europa may have a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. 77. Cosmic rays constantly bombard Earth from space. 78. The universe is still expanding. 79. Gravity bends light, a phenomenon called gravitational lensing. 80. Mars experiences massive dust storms that can last for months. 81. The Milky Way has a supermassive black hole at its center. 82. Earth's magnetic field protects us from solar radiation. 83. A neutron star can spin hundreds of times per second. 84. Our solar system is located in the Orion arm of the Milky Way. 85. Saturn's moon Titan has rivers and lakes of liquid methane. 86. Light pollution makes it harder to see stars from Earth. 87. Some stars are so massive that they explode as supernovae. 88. The observable universe is 93 billion light-years in diameter. 89. Some planets have retrograde motion, appearing to move backward across the sky. 90. The moon has quakes, called moonquakes, caused by gravitational forces. 91. There are over 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. 92. Space debris poses a danger to satellites and astronauts. 93. Venus is the brightest natural object in the night sky after the moon. 94. Pulsars are rapidly spinning neutron stars that emit beams of radiation. 95. Earth's atmosphere extends up to 10,000 kilometers into space. 96. The Sun will eventually exhaust its hydrogen fuel. 97. Cosmic microwave background radiation is the afterglow of the Big Bang. 98. Meteoroids become meteors when they enter Earth's atmosphere. 99. Some exoplanets orbit 2 stars, known as circumbinary planets. 100. The edge of the solar system is called the heliopause.